Are you tired of pouring your heart into email marketing, only to see your emails ignored or your open rates stuck in the single digits? Maybe you're just starting out and the whole process feels overwhelming, or you've tried before and ended up frustrated by complicated tools and disappointing results. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a way to finally make email marketing work for you without the stress, the guesswork, or the need to become a professional copywriter? That's exactly what Steve Meller's Emails Made Easy is all about. This isn't just another course or a set of templates. It's a complete, step-by-step system designed to help anyone, yes, even total beginners, create high-converting emails in a fraction of the time. Let's talk about what makes this so different, and why it's such a game changer for people who want real results, fast. First, the biggest benefit: you don't have to write a single email from scratch. The fill-in-the-blank prompts guide you every step of the way, so you can craft emails that actually get opened and clicked, without staring at a blank screen or worrying about what to say. Imagine how much time and stress that saves. And you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy tools, either. The system shows you how to use free AI resources to make the process even easier and more cost-effective. That means you can focus on growing your business, not your expenses. But here's where it really gets exciting. Emails Made Easy doesn't just hand you a formula and send you on your way. The video training breaks everything down into simple, bite-sized lessons, so you can follow along at your own pace. Whether you're brand new to email marketing or you've been at it for a while but haven't seen the results you want, you'll find the guidance you need to succeed. And the results speak for themselves. People like Keldon Francis have set up entire campaigns in under 2 hours. Roberta Hill saw her open rates jump by over 34%, and Tom Clark turned his struggling campaigns around, boosting his open rates from 12% to over 35%. These aren't just numbers, they're real people who finally found a system that works. What I love most is how this program takes away the anxiety and confusion. No more worrying about what to write, how often to send, or whether your emails will just end up in the trash. You'll learn exactly what matters, what doesn't, and how to connect with your audience in a way that feels natural and authentic. And if you decide to pick up Emails Made Easy through my link, I've got some awesome bonuses waiting for you, extras that will help you get even more out of your email marketing journey. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these. So, if you're ready to finally see real results from your email marketing, save time, and take the stress out of writing, Emails Made Easy is the smartest investment you can make right now. Unlock the potential of your email list and watch your business grow. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tips and resources to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.